Hello everyone, welcome to EMF, Electromagnetic Field Protection Guru video channel. In this series, the EMF study series, I am going to go over how does the EMF studies work, what are the studies that have been done so far, as well as keeping you updated with unbiased knowledge of what the current standing is with regards to EMF exposure. And this is the first video of the series, and I'm going to show you what are the types of EMF studies. So there are four types of studies that I'm going to talk about, and many of the EMF studies are grouped into one of these four types of studying methods. And the first one is the laboratory studies. And what these studies do is that they use and animal specimens, and they conduct controlled experiments with these specimens to see if there are any effects by tweaking the exposure of the EMF levels. However, though, in these studies, it is close to impossible to replicate our living environment as well as our human body. Despite that, though, if any effect is found on those cell and animal specimen, there is a very high confidence level that there will have an equal, if not greater, effect in our human body. Now, laboratory studies had led to several findings that EMF exposure can produce various biological effects, such as changes in cell functions as well as hormone levels. Now, I am going to go over specific studies in later videos as part of these series, but not in this current video. Now, the second type of studies is the clinical studies. In this case, researchers use sensitive instruments to monitor human physiology during controlled exposure to environmental agents. And these sensors measure heart rates, brain activity, and hormone levels within the body of the test subject. And then they would look for and analyze the exposed and unexposed groups of people that are part of the experiment, and in there they look for differences in results due to the changes of EMF exposure. Now, the last type of studies that are usually being used is epidemiology. This is the study of human population that has experienced to the exposure. It observes and compares groups of people who have had or have not had certain disease due to different levels of EMF exposures to see if the risk of disease is indeed different between a exposed group and a controlled unexposed group. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that the information that I provide you is going to be helpful for your research and analysis on the EMF levels around you. Please join us by joining us as a member as part of the EMF Electromagnetic Protection Guru Group by clicking and filling out our registration form in the description on my video below. And what would you get from this membership is you would get the latest news on EMF research. You were also going to get the latest free tools to analyze the EMF levels around you. You will also get reviews on what is effective and what is not effective with regards to EMF detection and protection. Now, if you join now, you will receive some of my experiences in EMF consultation, and that is the typical EMF levels that you will see for your home appliances. So what you have in this sheet right here is going to be very useful information, as these are some of the measurement ranges that I obtain from different households using a industrial level EMF detection equipment. And these values are what I've got through my years of experience as an EMF consultant. So this information is very useful when you are doing the readings yourself, or when you are asking someone to do readings for you, because now you would have reference values to base it off, as to see whether or not your appliances and home equipment resides in the low value or high value of the EMF range. So be sure to join us, be part of our membership. It's free. Subscribe to our channel for our latest videos. I hope you enjoy these information. I hope this helps you in your EMF research and analysis. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.